Mentakasngi sa jan ka advokandai tarik uri sao kadigasngi jong ka jingsdang jong ka Jingialang kabla long hakanong ba Tura West Garo Hills bandawa ya ka Garo State bat ka Khasi Jaintia State ya ka tega Jingialang lakhot da ka Kanhon Dawa Garo State kabla tip kum ka Garo State Movement Committee Kiblawan bani don bentalang bat ai jingkershan ke long ka Telangana Bodoland Tripura lan bat kinoi lam jong ka Federation of New State Togines ngap menta ya ka jingkran jong omunish tamang o president jong ka FND.
We have a meeting of the NFNS. Nikman Marak is hosting us for the meeting. You're welcome to join us in the meeting. And in the meeting we are going to take a resolution. I want to share that resolution with you. I want to share that because I want your support and I want your preparation for that resolution. In the coming winter session of the parliament, which will be sometime in December, the NFNS plans to hold a one-day symposium and a one-day dharna in Delhi at Jantar Mantar. And we want all the constituents of NFNS, including Garoland and Khasi, to send enough number of delegates to make an impact in Delhi. And you have to prepare from right now. There's not much time left. There's just 1 month left. But we have to prepare. We have to make our voices heard. We have to tell them that we have our dreams and our dreams have to be fulfilled because this is a constitutional dream. This is a dream that is guaranteed by the constitution. Our dream is not something that is unconstitutional. Our dream is not something that is unlawful. The present government, its party, put Gorkhaland in its manifesto in the 2019 elections. We want them to remember their manifesto. We want to remind them of what they said in their manifesto. And we want them to bring it to action. We want it to be fructified. And therefore, I would request all of you to start preparing to go to Delhi. We have to show our numbers. We have to show our strength. All of us from all over India have to come there. We have to show that the dream for a separate state is something that is guaranteed by the Constitution and we have the right to claim that dream that is guaranteed to us by the Constitution. NFNS shares a very special relationship with Garoland. And there's another proof that we share a very special relationship with Garoland. And you know what that proof is. Last year when we reconstituted the office bearers of NFNS in Darjeeling, we appointed your son, Nikman Marak, as the Vice President of NFNS. Please give him a big hand. This only shows that we take Garoland and the Garoland demand very seriously. The fact that we have come and traveled such a long distance, we have come here to express solidarity with you in your program. As many of our friends have pointed out, today is a historic program here in the history of the Garoland movement because so many people from different parts of India have come here to express solidarity. And although many friends have not been able to travel here, they are today represented through NFNS. So I want you to understand that the movement for Garoland is not just a local movement of some Garo people. It is a movement that finds support from all over India. It is a movement that finds support from all of us. I represent Gorkhaland. Similarly, my friends represent other movements. All of us support you. And therefore, you should not think of it as a difficult or a long or an arduous journey. As they say in English, you are only as strong as your weakest link. If your weakest link is weak, then your union cannot be strong. That is why, we have coined this slogan. Our Prime Minister likes to talk about one India and everything as one India, one language. We want to say, yes, of course, we believe in the unity of India. Nobody can question our integrity. Nobody can question our devotion to India. But our slogan is one nation, many states. Because India represents various civilizations, various cultures, various lifestyles. So if India is to be strong, we believe that one India must have many states. That is the slogan of NFNS, one India, many states. And that is what we will talk about when we all assemble in Delhi in December. So with those words, I welcome you to Delhi, just as you welcome me to Tura. I want to welcome you in advance to Delhi. I want all of you to come to Delhi and let us all in one united voice realize the dreams that are set for us. Thank you very much. Thank you.